Hello, my name is Simar and I'm back with another certification video. Today I'll be recording this video to get certified in Google Docs Advanced. So for this I have created my resume with the help of this wonderful application. So let's get started without any further ado. So my resume includes my basic information, which includes my name, my age, the grade in which I study, and my birthday. Then below I have listed the objective of this resume, which is to secure a position at the organization that will channelize my education, achievements and creative skills with knowledge. Then I have listed the languages in which I am proficient in, which includes English, Punjabi, Hindi and German. And then I've listed the skills, the key skills in which I'm proficient in. For example, I'm an expert in all the Google and Microsoft softwares, and then also in the 21st century skills, which include communication, critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, and many more. Then beside them, I have listed all my achievements, that is in the field of academics, which includes becoming the Asset National Topper in the field of SST, securing rank number 1 in various Olympiads, securing rank number 2 in the School Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, and securing rank number 1 in the TED Talks competition. Then I'm also well versed in many Microsoft applications as mentioned earlier. For example, I have secured the second position in the National Microsoft Minecraft competition for designing a Minecraft project. Then I have led a team which was selected as the top 5 teams for the National Microsoft Minecraft competition consecutively for 2 years. Then I've been associated with Google because I have been a national finalist in the Google Code to Learn competition for developing an app. Then I have won the second runners up position in the Whiz Juniors monthly challenge in the month of April. And apart from these, my other achievements include becoming the first student Wakelet ambassador from India and the first kindness ambassador from Asia. I'm also an SOS for Love student ambassador, and I have got an honorable mention from the Smithsonian Institute in a competition. I have been a student presenter and the youngest participant to place and get a special mention in one of the most prestigious committees of the DPS month, the Security Council. So those were all my achievements. And below I have listed my work experience. Being a 14-year-old, my work experience includes training multiple students on using Microsoft tools, clearing multiple courses on Microsoft, Google and other tools, and I have also been certified in many of these advanced courses. I'm well versed in the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or the SDGs, and I have made video tutorials on how to use various applications, and I have also participated in various global projects, namely projects like SOS for Love, Climate Action Project, the Kindness Project and the Innovation Project. Then in the field of academics, I have always been a straight A student, and I have held various positions of responsibility in the student body council of my institution. Then I've also included the contact information, in which I've given an example email and the telephone number. So this was all about my resume which I have created. Now, if you want to create a similar resume using the power of Google Docs, which is a wonderful application if you want to go ahead and do so, then I'll be showing you the various features which I've used to create this document. So let's get started by switching the windows. So the first feature which I have used is the drawing feature. So using the drawing feature, you can create shapes, word arts, quick styles, etc. So for that, we need to go to the Insert tab over here, and we need to go to the Drawing tab over here. Then you can either upload a drawing from your Google Drive, or you can create a new one by clicking this plus icon. Then the Google Drawings application will load, and then you can go ahead and create anything. So for making shapes, you can go to the Shapes button over here, and there are various shapes present here. If you want to add text in these shapes, just double click and then you'll be able to add text. And then if you want to simply add text boxes in your document, then you can click on this text box and then you can expand it and type your text. So after modifying the text, you can make it look like a word art, and that will be really amazing, just like I have done over here. In my resume, I have added word arts over here, and so many other places. Next, we use proper indentation, alignments, formatting, bullets, and numbering. So for creating my resume, first I have used proper indentation and alignments. That is, for example, if you want your text to go towards the right a bit, then you can go to the increase indent button present over here and you can make it go towards the right. And if you want it to go back towards the left, you can decrease the indent. Next, I have also used the alignment features. That is, you can see over here my text has been aligned towards the left. And if you want it to be aligned towards the center, you can click on the center align over here. This is more applicable if you do not have bullet points. Then you can even right align your text and you can justify your text. And as you can see over here, I've used the center align feature in various places in my resume. The next one is formatting. Now Google Docs provides you with many smart styling options in which you can format the text. For example, over here, I have formatted the text in various ways by changing the font size. I made it bold, and you can even make it italics. You can underline the text, change the text color, and the list goes on. Then bullets and numbering. So this is one of the features which I like the most in Google Docs. That is, just like we write our notes, whenever we write our notes, we always make sure that we are writing in points so that we understand better and we absorb the content better. Just like that, even in computers, you can do so by adding bullet lists and numbered lists. So over here, as you can see, beside my text, you have these small circles present. This is nothing but the bullet list. Now, there are various styles present of this bullet list. That is, you can have arrows, stars, and so many more other options. Then over here, you can see my achievements have been listed and ranked from 1 to 14. This can be done using the numbered lists, and various other styling options are also available. That is, you can have capitalized letters, Roman numbers, and then small letters, and so many more other styling options. Then the next one is adding watermarks and images. Now in Google Docs, to add watermarks, the first thing that we need to do is to insert an image. You can do that by uploading from your computer, from your drive, from photos, by URL, or by clicking a picture from your camera. And once you do that, you go to the image, you right click, and you go to image options. When you do that, you can go and you can make adjustments by increasing or decreasing the transparency. And as you can see over here, I have increased the transparency of the image over here so that it looks just like a watermark. And the next one is images. Now, so that the person who is reviewing your document makes it easier to visualize content, you can add images over here, just like I have done. I have added an image of myself beside my basic information. Then one of the last features that I've used in my resume is the page borders, the page color, layouts, etc. So the page borders, how I've done that is by using the table feature. So in this, we go to insert, we go to the table, and then we can click as to how many tables we want, how many cells we want inside our document. So I've just selected the simple 1-into-1 option, and then as you can see, I've got this huge cell over here which looks just like the page border. This gives a very simple yet modern look to your document. Then as you can see over here, I've changed the page color of my document, which I made it into my favorite color, which is purple. And now coming to the layouts, that is, if in case you want to see how your document looks like when you print it, just click on Ctrl P. And then the print settings will appear. And just like this, you can see how your document will look like when you are about to print it. You can change the print settings, as you can save it as a PDF, and you can do so many more things with the power of this application. So that was it about my Google Docs Advanced Certification video. I hope you liked it, and go ahead and make amazing resumes using this wonderful tool. Thank you. I'm Simar Mohanty signing off. Bye.